We're back with more shoes for the outdoors, and today we have the Salomon Lab XT-4 Advanced. Woo! Can't wait to get into it. You already know what it is. It's Shoot Your Shot TV. Let's take a look at the shoes. Here they are, the Salomon Lab XT-4 Advanced in the magnetic rainy day colorway. It's kind of like a desert camo, brown, tan mixture, muddy mixture right there. I really like this colorway. The upper is this predominantly breathable mesh, and you have this like plastic sticker on the side paneling. It says Salomon right here. And taking it to the tongue, you have this black breathable tongue right here with the bungee lacing system. That's what really drew me to the shoe, was this lacing system. You just pull to tighten and then you clip here to loosen. Easy access to put on and then easy to slip off. Taking it down to the toe box, you have this hard plastic mud guard to protect your toes when you're out there on the trails from, hard rocks and things like that. And minimal branding, you have a Salomon logo right here on the back of the heel. It feels like a suede nubuck material, and more of that carbon fiber print on the back as well. Not sure if 100% if it is carbon fiber, but it's like a nice little hard piece of plastic right here. And taking it to the midsole, you have the ACS technology, which is the agile chassis system for great stability for over long distances. And moving on to the outsole, you have the contra grip with the chevron pattern for durable grip for different terrains. For those of you who don't know, Salomon is like an outdoor lifestyle brand, and I remember back in the day they used to make like bindings and boots for skis, and then they kind of stepped into like the outdoor trail world, and we reviewed a pair of Salomon boots a while back. I think they were the XT3s. Unfortunately, I had to return those. They were just a little bit too bulky for my liking, but I did like the idea of having a Salomon boot. The Salomon XT4 and XT6s have been really popular over recent years, and it's been a shoe that's been on my radar that I've been meaning to pick up, just never got around to doing it. I just knew that I always wanted to own a pair. Finally picked up a pair today over at Stash in San Francisco. I normally don't pay full retail for a shoe. I try to find like a promo code or get a little bit of discount, 15, 10% here or there online. The staff over at Stash, they gave great customer service, so I bought them on the spot. So if you're ever in San Francisco and you're checking out boutiques and sneaker stores, make sure you check out Stashed on 3rd Street. Great customer service over there. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we really love outdoor shoes. We love trail shoes. We love, all-terrain shoes. So it was a no-brainer for us to pick these up and review them for you guys. Before we try them on though, let's go ahead and get a quick hit of the outdoors. Salomon XT4. Let's go ahead and try these on. That was our signature on-foot look. Crep check really quick. I'm wearing the New Balance 990 V3. We've previously reviewed those. Feel free to check it out by clicking the link below. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we like to break down the shoe into 3 important categories: comfort, style, and price, and give it an overall rating at the end. We're gonna jump right into that, starting with comfort. The shoe's pretty comfortable, despite being a little bit heavy and a little bit bulky. I can definitely feel the Ortholite insole in the heel and the forefoot of the shoe. The ACS technology definitely provides a lot of stability. I feel like when my foot is in here and I pull the bungees really tight, my foot's not gonna be sliding in different directions. It's gonna stay on point, stay stable. I would really like to take these outdoors to fully test them, take them on a camping trip and get the full use, get the full bang for my buck on these. As far as sizing goes, I went up a half size. I'm usually a 9.5 in most sneakers and most shoes, but with these I went up to a size 10 and they just fit better. The 9.5 felt okay, but it was a little bit snug on the right, perfect on the left. So if you have a little bit more of a wider foot, I suggest going a half size up. But if you have narrow feet, you might be able to get away with going true to size. Overall though, I feel like it was lacking a little bit of comfort in the forefoot, so I'm gonna have to give it a 4 out of 5 as far as comfort. Moving on to style, you already know I really like Gorpcor, Normcore, things of that nature. This pairs well with brands like North Face, Arc'teryx. It's not always about being hype, it's more about functionality and wearing what you like, being comfortable. I feel like Gorpcor is really in right now. People are wearing Gorpcor, mixing it in with streetwear, but I feel like even after that trend might die out, it's still like a good looking shoe that I could wear every day and try and get a fit off. So as far as style, I'm gonna have to give it a 5 out of 5. Moving on to price, these retail anywhere from like $190 to $220 depending on where you get it from. I did pay the full $220 like I mentioned earlier in the video, but it was only because Stash gave me great customer service. If not, I would have just bought them online for maybe like $200 somewhere, but what's an extra 20 bucks when you can get instant gratification and have them in hand? I do notice that a lot of Salomons appreciate in value. Some of the earlier models from 2019 and 2020 have doubled in price, $400, $500, depending on what colorway you have. So I feel like it's a shoe that does appreciate over time if you wear them casually and you're not gonna really beat them up outdoors. They could have been a little bit cheaper, but $220 for all this technology and all this stability is not bad. I'm gonna have to give it a 4 out of 5, bringing us to a grand total of 13 out of 15 on the Shoot Your Shot rating system. Almost perfect. But that's our episode for today. Thank you guys for joining us. As always, we love to hear from you guys, so let us know in the comments below if you like the XT-4 or if you prefer the XT-6. What's really the difference? I didn't really do my homework on it, but let us know. We love to hear from you guys. Let us know if this is a brand of shoes that you'd like to see more of on this channel. They did drop a new model, the AGS, which I have my eye on. Hopefully we can score a pair and review them for you guys. April is just right around the corner, and you know what that means over here at Shoot Your Shot TV. That's officially unofficial New Balance month on our channel. If you'd like to stay updated on that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow us on Instagram, put all the links below for you guys. Just want to say thank you again for rocking with us and watching this episode. Again, my name is Paul. Shout out to the producer of the show, C-Rock Behind the Lens. Can't wait to wear these. Catch you guys. Peace.